There is a kind of debt almost nobody talks about. Not money, not time. Identity debt. Identity debt happens when your actions don't match the person you say you are. You tell people you're disciplined, but you keep delaying. You say you want success, but you waste hours every day. You say you want to change your life, but your habits stay the same. Every time this happens, a small debt is created. Not outside, inside your mind. Your brain starts noticing, not what you say, but what you do. And slowly, your brain stops believing you. This is how confidence dies. Not because you failed, but because you broke promises to yourself. Again, and again, and again. Each broken promise adds another layer of identity debt, until one day something strange happens. You stop trusting yourself. You say, "I'll start tomorrow," but your mind whispers, "No, you won't." Because your brain has seen this pattern before. This is why many people feel stuck. They think they lack motivation. But the real problem is broken identity. Your mind doesn't believe you anymore. So how do you fix it? Not with big goals, not with dramatic changes. You fix identity debt with small proofs, tiny promises, kept consistently. Wake up when you said you would. Finish what you started. Do the uncomfortable thing just once. Each small action sends a signal to your brain. I keep my word. And slowly, the debt starts disappearing. Confidence returns. Not because you changed overnight, but because your actions started matching your identity. The most powerful sentence you can say to yourself is not, "I will change my life." It's this, "I do what I say." Because the moment your brain believes that, your entire life changes. If this message hit you, comment, "No more debt," and follow Inspire to Win, because the strongest people are the ones who keep their promises to themselves.